Corned beef stew is one of the easiest Nigerian stews to prepare. It's also known as spaghetti sauce, but you can use it for boiled rice, boiled yam and boiled potatoes. Before you start, prepare some tomato stew. This is tomato puree that has been fried very well to remove the tangy taste of tomatoes. I have a video on how to do that. Next, we separate the corned beef into small pieces. I am not a big fan of corned beef, so I'll prepare this stew with minced beef. The process is the same. Penne pasta is my favorite pasta, so while that is cooking, pour some vegetable oil in a dry pot. Add the diced onions and fry for a bit. Add the corned beef, in my case minced beef. Fry till the beef turns pale. It should look like this when you're done. Add thyme, stock cubes and pour water to the same level as the contents of the pot. Cover and cook till the beef is well done. Now add pepper, curry powder and salt to taste. Add the tomato stew and stir very well till you get a good mix of all the ingredients. Cover and leave to simmer and it's done. It's that easy. Serve with any pasta of your choice. It is also great with boiled rice, yam or potatoes. See you soon!